everyone, I'm here with a delicious saffron rice cake with chicken that you will enjoy eating it. It's called tahchin مرغ in Persian. The ingredients are 3 cups of rice, 1 chicken breast, an onion, 2 eggs, 1 glass of yogurt, 1 cup of barberries, half a teaspoon saffron. Wash the rice. Pour the warm water over it. Pour 4 tablespoons salt. Let it soak for 1 hour. Cook the chicken breast with onion and water. Pour a little salt. Fry the barberries in oil for seconds. Put a few ice cubes on saffron powder to melt gently. Pour soaked rice in boiled water. When the rice is half cooked, pour into the colander. Pour the eggs into a bowl and beat them. Add a glass of yogurt and saffron and salt. Mix them well. Pour half of the rice into the ingredients and mix them. Pour a little oil on the bottom of the dish. Pour the rice mixed with the ingredients into a bowl. Strain it with a spoon. Pour the chicken pieces over the saffron rice. Add 1 tablespoon fried barberries. Pour the rest of the rice on it. Again, strain it with a spoon. Pour a little oil on it. Continue cooking for 1.5 hours on low heat. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.